Hey there friends, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you a quick and useful trick to personalize your desktop. It's all about how to change the desktop icon size. Whether you prefer a larger icons for better visibility or smaller icons to fit more on your screen, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. To change the desktop icon size, right-click on an empty space on your desktop. A context menu will appear. From the context menu that appears, please select View. And then you can choose either large icons, medium icons, or small icons, depending on your preference. So if we choose large icons, you'll see the icons instantly change their size. So let's go back to medium icons. So if you prefer smaller icons, we can just click view again and then choose small icons. See, it's very easy, right? So let me revert it back to medium icons. And that's it. You now know how to change the desktop icon size on your computer. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Once again, thank you for watching how to change your desktop icon size in Windows. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll be back soon with more valuable content, so stay tuned. Until then, happy customizing. See you in the next video.